Hi, this is Jack from Maths Forge, and in today's lesson we're going to be doing angles in lines. So let's take a look at our first example. Here we're being asked to find x. Now angles on a straight line have a total angle of 180 degrees. So with this knowledge, we can actually work out the value of x here. This angle here plus this angle here must give us 180 degrees. We know that this small angle is x, so I'm going to say x plus this 153 degrees gives us an angle of 180. Now, if we rearrange for this x here, which means getting rid of this plus 153, we can do this by subtracting 153 from both sides. This now leaves us with x is equal to 180 minus 153. And 180 minus 153 is equal to 27. So our answer for this question, x is equal to 27 degrees. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do another one-star example. Here they're asking us to find x for this angle here. Now, angles in a corner like this are known as right angles. And right angles have a total angle of 90 degrees. So you can see whether it's a right angle or not if they have this little square here. And that indicates that you're dealing with a right angle. So now that we know that right angles have a total angle of 90 degrees, then this x here, this angle here represented by the x, plus this 32 degrees must give us 90 degrees. So x plus 32 is equal to 90 degrees. And now if we rearrange for this x, so we have to get rid of this plus 32, we can do this by subtracting 32 on both sides. This now leaves us with an angle x of 90 minus 32, which is 58 degrees. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do a final one-star example. Here, again, we're being asked to find x. Now, in this case, there's an angle around the point, and it's this point here. So what you should know is that the total angle around the point is equal to 360 degrees. So knowing this, we can now say, okay, well, this angle here, represented by x, plus this angle here, which is 244 degrees, if we add them together, we should get 360 degrees. And now rearranging for x, we have to get rid of this plus 244, so I'm going to subtract 244 from both sides of this equation. This now leaves us with x is equal to 360 minus 244, which gives us 116 degrees. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now we'll do a two-star example. Here we're being asked to find x. We should know by now that the total angle on a line is 180 degrees. So if I take these three values here, x plus 48 plus 71, adding all of these should give us 180 degrees. So I structure it in this equation here. Now the first thing I'm going to do is simplify these two. I'm going to add 48 and 71, and this is going to give us 129. Don't forget we have the x added to this, and this is equal to 180 degrees. Now this looks like a one-star question, so we can just get rid of this plus 129 by subtracting 129 on both sides. This now leaves us with x is equal to 61 degrees, and if we check our answer, there it is. We'll do a three-star example now. Here they're asking us to find x, and again we're dealing with an angle on a straight line. So the total angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So if I add each individual angle and equal it to 180 degrees, I should have an equation that works. So we're going to have x plus 2x plus 81 degrees. And this should give us 180 degrees for the total. Now, if I simplify this, x plus 2x is equal to 3x plus 81, which is equal to 180 degrees. This is now a two-step equation. So I'm going to first begin by getting rid of this plus 81, and we do this by subtracting 81 from both sides. This now leaves us with 3x, which is equal to 180 minus 81, which is 99. And now to just rearrange for this x, there's a 3 being multiplied to it. So if we divide both sides by 3, we should cancel out this 3 here next to the x. This now leaves us with x is equal to 99 divided by 3, which is 33. So x in this case is equal to 33 degrees. And if we check our answer, there it is. And that's it for the lesson on angles in lines.